Infinity Archie, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students. It's time to move up. Get smart. Learn English. Get a lifestyle.
Hello everyone, good morning, happy to see you. I'm Tithi, an anchor of this program. Welcome to our talk show program, and today we are going to discuss on importance of learning English. And here you can see our respectable participants.
Hello.
Okay, let's introduce with them. First of all, here is Miss Shravani, who is a student.
Hi.
And next here is Miss Bibha, who is a student of Dhaka University.
Hi.
Okay, let's get started our program. So, Miss Shravani, what do you think about today's topic?
Thanks for asking. Well, look, English is an international as well as very important language. We can say it modern language, so I am learning this language.
Okay. Then I'm going to Miss Bibha. Miss Bibha, would you please tell us something about it?
Thanks for asking. Actually, Shravani is right. English is an international language. Without English, we cannot do anything. It's also help us to get good job and better salary. It's important is no doubt great.
Okay, that sounds really good. Okay, dear Midhal, we have known something about today's topic, and this is so much important for our practical life, and we should all try to do this and practice right now. Okay, dear, no more today. Please pardon me. Hope to see you next. Bye.
See ya. Bye.